Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on an exclusive tour inside Apple's insane factories in China, where some of the most advanced technology in the world is brought to life. Apple's factories in China are nothing short of incredible. Located primarily in Shenzhen, these factories are operated by Foxconn, Apple's largest manufacturing partner. These state-of-the-art facilities are a blend of human skill and robotic precision. Workers and robots collaborate seamlessly to assemble millions of iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks each year. The assembly process is mind-blowing. From microchips to motherboards, each component is meticulously crafted and assembled with pinpoint accuracy. Quality control is a top priority at these factories. Every device undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets Apple's high standards before it reaches your hands. Ever wonder how Apple maintains such high quality? It starts in clean rooms like these, where even the tiniest speck of dust is eliminated to ensure flawless assembly. The scale of production is truly staggering. These factories operate around the clock, employing hundreds of thousands of workers to meet the global demand for Apple products. But it's not all work and no play. Apple and Foxconn have invested in creating comfortable work environments with modern amenities and recreational facilities for their employees. Apple is also committed to sustainability. These factories are implementing eco-friendly practices, from using renewable energy to managing electronic waste responsibly. After all this hard work, the finished products are carefully packaged and shipped to customers around the world, ready to be unboxed and enjoyed. So next time you use your iPhone or MacBook, remember the incredible journey it took from these insane factories to your hands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing insights into the world of technology.